Today, my little brother and I are going to go ahead and build a computer derived mostly of parts from Facebook Marketplace. Stay tuned. Alright, let's go over some of the parts that we're working with here today. We are working with an Intel Core i5 9600K that we got off of Facebook Marketplace for only $155. An ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 4 that we got off of Facebook Marketplace as well for only $65. My old RX Vega 64 that's I've had lying around. My GameMax power supply. It is a 600 watt power supply that I did get as a review unit. Video in the description up in the corner there. We also have 3 white Thermaltake Ring 140 millimeter fans as well. This Cooler Master Hyper 212 that I did get at Best Buy, as well as a Samsung Evo 860 hard drive. It's going to be, an SSD that we're working with here today. And of course the case, it is a Corsair case. I'm not even sure the model number. I've had it lying around. It was my old server case. Link to that up in the description, at the upper right hand corner, and then to the description down below. Alright, and the Wi-Fi card that's actually going to be on this board is also a Dell Wi-Fi card that just so happened to fit in the M.2 Wi-Fi slot. But good news is it is wireless AC. I don't have any leads currently for it right now, which I will be getting sometime in the future. The RAM that is in the computer is going to be 2 sticks of DDR4. It is from G.Skill. It is their Trident Z RGB. It is up to 16 gigabytes of DDR4 3200 megahertz. Got that also off of Facebook Marketplace for roughly about $50. We got power coming through and lights. Got the ASRock logo. And we have a BIOS. Yeah! Alright guys, so we have a booting computer. I'm not going to sit here and bore you guys with booting into Windows or anything like that. Alright, well that's it guys. So we got the booting computer overall. Let me turn it around. Hey. So we got it all up and running. Got the computer working. That's it for now. I do thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do like this kind of content, hit the thumbs up button. Of course, if you don't, hit the thumbs down button. Comment down below. Let me know if you want any more videos like this in the future. I do have some links to the parts on Amazon, so you can at least see what I would have paid for them if I got them brand new. But like I said, all of these parts were bought on Facebook Marketplace, opposite the power supply and the cooler, the power supply, and the SSD. Other than that, everything else was bought on Facebook Marketplace. But I will have affiliate links down in the description below. I do thank you guys for watching. Once again, my name is Craig with Squappy's Videos. Sorry Josh is not here. He already had to leave. So I do thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good one. Bye everyone.